Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have here with me is the latest smartphone launched by Vivo in India, that is Vivo Z1 Pro. And this phone is aggressively priced at Rs 15,000 and is all set to compete with the best mid-budget smartphones in India right now, that is Redmi Note 7 Pro and Realme C3 Pro, because of the great specifications that Vivo is providing right now at this price range. So without wasting any more time, come let's start the unboxing and see what's inside. So let's peel off the upper layer of this box and let's find out what's inside. So this box looks really premium. So you can see there's nothing on the front, and this has got one PUBG symbol, club open PUBG symbol at the side. And here are the specifications about the phone. Qualcomm Snapdragon 712, 32 MP in-display camera, 5000 mAh 18-watt fast charging and AI triple camera. So let's see what's inside the box. So at first, at the top we have our transparent cover casing that is provided for the phone. Then we have a quick start guide menu, and also here is the warranty card that is provided. Then beneath that we have our smartphone. Let's keep it aside for the time being and see what's inside. Then we have our SIM ejector tool, and one good thing is that they have provided a fast charger that is an 18-watt adapter instead of being a type B, so this will charge your phone real quick in no time. And this is the charging cable, and the best part is they also provide you with an earphone, which is very rare these days in case of smartphones. The setup of this device is complete now and it's ready to use, but before that let's have a physical overview of this device. This device comes with a massive 6.53-inch Full HD display, and at the front we have got a 32 megapixel front facing camera, which we will call it the in-display camera, or we can also call it the punch hole camera. At the back we have a triple camera setup. One is the primary camera of 16 megapixel, the other is the wide angle camera 8 megapixel, and the other one is the 2 megapixel for the depth effect. And we have got a LED flash here. At the back we also have a fingerprint sensor, and at the bottom we have the Vivo branding. There's absolutely nothing on the top. Towards the left we have a smart lock button which is used for Google Assistant, and here is the SIM tray. Towards the right we have the volume rocker button and the power rocker button. At the bottom we have the regular 3.5 mm audio jack, and we have a type B port and a speaker grill. This device has a thickness of 8.85 mm and weighs around 201 gram, which makes it heavier and bulkier as compared to the other smartphones, and that is pretty much understandable given the fact that this has a massive 5000 mAh battery that puts on so much weight on this phone, and that's the main reason why they've provided a polycarbonate back cover. So I have done this setup of face unlock and fingerprint unlock on this device, and you can see that it works like a charm. As soon as I put my fingers on the back sensor, it unlocks in no time. You can see even if I use the face unlock feature, as soon as I turn the phone towards my face, it will unlock in no time. It is as fast as the fingerprint sensor. You can see. And also I've tested this in very low light conditions, and I think this is one of the best fingerprint sensors and face lock sensor that has got in any phone. This device comes with many pre-installed applications, so if you want to delete them you can simply select them and you can permanently remove them from your phone. Here at the top we have the notification bar, and from the bottom we get our menu or settings bar. Here we can see that this phone runs on Android version 9, and it has a Snapdragon 712 octa-core processor clocked at 2.3 GHz. This is the first phone that has Snapdragon 712 processor which has been brought to India, and this is a RAM of 6 GB and ROM of 64 GB, which can be expanded up to 256 GB via microSD card. And the best part of this phone is its camera. The amount of features that they've provided in this phone is really awesome. They have also provided with a night mode in this phone to click pictures in low light conditions during night. And also we have a professional mode. Here we can set the ISO, shutter speed, white balance and everything else as per the requirement. We also have a document mode to click pictures and directly convert it to documents. And this is one of the rare phones which allows to use the wide angle lens to shoot videos on this phone. Also, this phone has got many tips and tricks which I will be covering in my next video and giving an in-depth review. But for now, all in all, this is a great phone and provide great specifications in this price range. So I would personally recommend this phone to everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. So if you like this video, kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.